guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Whoscall app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings here, and you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, you come here to Whoscall call interface here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone here. That's mean Whoscall call interface disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.